Y'all hurry up. Is it recording?
It is.
Okay, who is she getting an attitude with? I don't know.
Can you start it?
No, I'm not.
Can you just cut all this?
Yes. Oh, shut up.
Look, it's out of focus.
So
you have.
I'm gonna strangle you, girl.
Yo.
How should I start the video off?
Hi, welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Don't sound like that. Like, talk how you usually talk.
Hey guys, welcome back.
Okay, no.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are doing a Wawa mukbang. Mukbang. Oh, muk to the bang, bang to the mug. So we got Wawa stuff. This is all Wawa mukbang.
Obviously, it's a Wawa mukbang.
This is why I don't do collabs with my friends, because they always gotta talk too much. So I got a peach Fanta thing ever, and what'd you get?
I got Coca-Cola slushie, but see, I finished it. So instead,
She already
I
eaten
got
it.
a Capri Sun.
But since it was like an hour walk, they drank everything. I didn't drink mine.
Yeah, that's because you got the extra big drink.
I almost just hit you just now.
I'm not even in
I
the
only
picture.
had-
Yes, you are. You're right there.
I was just like this.
That's your positioning. That's not my fault. You just got lettuce on my leg. So, I got tea from... What do people talk about in mukbangs?
Like your Golden Twins.
You need to stop talking about them.
I'm actually obsessed, so.
I know, she literally made a fan page account.
No, I didn't.
Look at my Instagram picture. I was so cute. Look how cute I look.
You should just put that in front of your face the whole time. You should put it in front of my face.
Yeah. What are people talking about? Crap, we should have... Dang it.
Well, if you didn't already start the video, we could have been doing that.
Did you, like, not play a Dolan Twins video?
No, I'm looking up questions.
Can you not watch them while we're trying to make our own YouTube video?
I'm not watching them.
Oh, I got it. Phobias.
I'm afraid of flying on planes only because I've never been on one. But I wouldn't necessarily call it a phobia. That's the only thing I can think of right now.
I have a phobia of bugs because I think they're going to kill me. Because I honestly believe they can.
Some can.
Some. My point. Exactly. Like, yo, bees and wasps are the devil.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, wait. Today, I was on my bed, like, just on my phone. And then I heard, like, a dun. I look outside. A bug this big just flew on the window. Just chilling there. And I almost threw up. Just by that little sound, I almost threw up. I swear I did.
One day, like last year, we were going to the car and there was 2 bugs on the window.
They were having sex on the window?
Yep.
I'm gonna keep that in.
No.
You took my straw.
Mm-mm.
Oh, that was mine, actually. I did take your straw. Whatever.
It's a straw.
Yeah.
Yours should be the shortest one because you're the shortest one. Yeah. You should put...
My
I'm gonna
phobia.
push you so that hoverboard rolls you away.
My phobia are closed spaces.
Oh, I thought you said clothes.
And I hate bugs. I hate spiders. Especially spiders.
I hate water. Like, I hate open bodies. I hate open bodies of water. Like seas,
Can I tell you guys
oceans.
a secret?
I hate, like, swimming pools, lakes.
See, don't take showers.
Oh, do you actually not take showers?
Of course I take showers. I said open bodies of water, dummy. A shower is not an open body of water.
Today it is.
What does that mean? What is that supposed to mean?
Isn't your body open in the water?
No, it's not. It's pretty close.
Okay, so this is a phobia. Like, I get really bad anxiety talking in front of people. I remember one time, at my church, we were like singing or whatever in front of people, and I was walking back, and out of nowhere I started crying.
Okay, another topic. Pet peeves. So, you know when you're drinking a milkshake and you just, like, don't drink it for a couple minutes?
Excuse me, I'm sorry, sir.
Excuse me.
I hate when you, like, don't drink your milkshake for a couple minutes and then when you sip it, like the top is
foamy.
warm. Well, I hate foaminess, but I also I hate when it's warm.
Oh yeah, me too.
Like when you sip it and it's warm,
and it's been like
then
2 minutes.
2 minutes, and
Like-
it's like warm, and I'm like, when you're entering a place or exiting a place, and it's like a pull door but a push handle. You know what I'm saying? Like if it's a push.
Isn't your
This
phone
one?
charging though?
No.
It's been charging this whole time.
I hope my cord isn't breaking.
Sorry for the inconvenience, sisters.
His eyes are plugged in.
The ice box was really weird, but once I get to like this much of my sandwich left, like this much of my sandwich or like shorter, I'll take out everything that's in it, eat it, and then eat the bread. Is that weird?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I just do it. Like not all the time though, just sometimes. Cause like I feel like it's always about to fall out, so I just take it out and eat it, and then I'll eat the bread.
Okay, so what were we talking about? I forgot.
Pet peeves.
Pet peeves.
When people touch my phone without asking me.
Well, I know
That
one of your pet peeves
bothers
too.
me so much. Oh yes, and I hate feet. They bother me so much. Like, ew.
Why'd you look at it like that?
Because my feet are exposed.
Not only that, but like, I hate my feet too, cause they're just ugly. You know what I mean? I think feet are so ugly.
I feel like my feet
That's
are
why
ugly, too. Unless
socks are my
Sally's weird,
favorite piece
but-
of clothing ever. I hate people who are try to be something they're not.
Yo, wait. You wanna know one of my biggest like turn-offs about a guy is? When they're trying to act tough, but in real life they're really not that tough. Like, why do you feel like you need to be like this macho man the whole entire time? Like, if you need to cry, dude, cry. Like,
Exactly. Like
I
care.
think man tears are like the cutest thing
Yeah.
ever. I got a new topic. Things that you like about a guy.
That's a good one.
Abs. That's not what I'm looking forward to in a guy, but like if he had abs, like
That would be a
great.
plus.
Exactly, it'd be great.
If they're not afraid to come up to a girl and talk to her like real talk, like
Like share his
That's
feelings.
Yeah,
true,
share
because like
feelings.
honestly, let's be real. Like nowadays, guys be saying like, "Ooh, I love a girl that comes up to me," and I get it. Like I honestly get it, but also girls don't really want to do that because they're not used to that. So you kind of have to just suck it up and just do it. Like, you know, if you have feelings for a girl, you just kind of have to go for it because girls nowadays, even though some girls do it now, more people do it, but like they don't really want to.
when boys are like honest to you, like when they're not afraid to talk to you, like about like I don't know how to put it, but like personal things. I feel like
Very comfortable with you.
yeah.
Something I like is like
That's the tea.
something I like is when they're open with like their personality. Like they're not trying to act fake or anything.
Mhm.
Like I hate it when guys like they act one way when they're with you, but as soon as they're with you and their friends, they act a completely different way. And I'm just like, why? Like, what's the point? Or however you want to act around your friends, like before you dated me, how you act around them, do the same thing. Like I don't really care.
Another thing that I would like about a guy is that if he's that type of person who's like, I'm like, let's be real, I don't like going outside that much. I don't like doing athletic things unless
This
like
is true.
like I don't like I'm not gonna go hiking with you. Like don't ask me to go hiking with you because I'm gonna say no. I would go like if you want to ask me to go to the gym with you, I would probably go, but I'm not gonna go to I'm not gonna go hiking with you.
And I
Like
almost stopped
you have to.
breathing.
My point. Okay, so let me tell you why I am saying that I don't like to go outside and I don't like to do things. So when I say that one of my phobias are bugs, honestly, the only reason why I don't go outside is because of bugs. Like, bugs are like the freaking scariest things in the world, and if I get attacked by one, I will force you to take me home. So that's what I mean when I say that if you ask me to go hiking, I will say no. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. No, but
Hiking
like
was
I would prefer you to just like want to stay
I
at
was
home
in-
with me.
I was
But like
in Colorado. and
not
I
in like
remember-
a lazy way, because I'm really lazy. I don't want a guy that's lazy just because then he can help me to stop being lazy. Okay, let's be real about the physical part of a guy. The way I look at it is, I'm sorry, yeah, people always say I'm all about the personality, but let's be real, I can't just be attracted to you mentally. I have to be attracted to you
like
physically too.
Yeah, yeah.
Exactly.
Like, let's be real. Like, if I'm not attracted to you
Boys can
physically,
agree
I'm
with
not
this
gonna.
too. Boys can agree with this
Like,
too.
you
Come
know
on.
it's true. Like, you all, like, just to sound like a good guy, you always say, ooh, her personality, ooh, her brain. I'm like,
Like,
honestly,
you know you're
listen,
looking
like,
at her
let's
like
be
her
real.
butt.
Like, let's be real. I don't, like, I have a certain type. Like, I don't want to, like, I have to be physically attracted to you, too, because that's important.
I have been attracted to guys who are nice to me.
But that's true, though, because you could talk to a guy, you could absolutely love the way, like, his personality and stuff, and then you can, like, all of a sudden think that he's, like, really good looking. Because that happens.
And when they're like ugly to a lot of people, you're just like, oh wait, he's cute.
Yeah, exactly. It's just the way I look at
Jayla,
stuff.
why is your foot all the way over here?
Why
What?
not?
What?
Oh my God.
I'm a snake.
Ah! She just hit her head on that hoverboard. People do
This isn't
mukbangs
even a
all the time.
mukbang. This is really just talking.
I know, because, like, I'm already kind of full.
I mean, I've been hungry for a while, so since I can eat a whole
Happy Meal.
Happy Meal. What? No. I can eat a whole burrito.
Honestly,
oh wait, no, that
I
sounds
think-
weird. Don't put that in. 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 Please don't put that in. I don't want people to think I'm gay. Please. That's nothing. Not that there's something wrong.
You're
with that,
making
but-
you're making yourself sound worse. Because then,
No, please don't put it in. Please
I-
don't put that in.
shut up.
No, I'm being so serious. Please don't put that.
She's not gay. She's had a boyfriend. She's as straight as they come.
People say I'm straighter than a pole.
She's straighter than.
Who's the straightest celebrity out there? Justin Bieber.
Yes.
No,
No, because there was a
He's kinda
scandal
gay.
because there was a scandal that he was doing stuff with Usher. Who's really straight?
Shawn Mendes. No, I feel like he could be gay.
Then Sister Ian. You're straighter than Sister Ian.
Oh, Sister Ian is so straight. It's not
Dude,
funny.
it's really straight.
I'm getting fat. Don't put that in.
What'd you say?
Well, you
I'm
just
good
said
with
it.
that.
No,
Every
don't
time
put
you
that
say
in.
don't put that
Listen.
in, she's gonna put it in.
Please
So
don't.
just stop saying don't put that in.
Don't
'cause
say
that means she's
stupid
gonna-
stuff.
We can get copyrighted.
You should just put that on shirts now.
What?
Put that in.
Oh my gosh, what if we had your... What if
Do
you
that.
had merch?
Kind of sexual though. Don't do that.
Oh.
Don't put that in.
Wait, I saw this thing. For Halloween, this girl, she dressed up as like a nun, and then her boyfriend dressed up as like a priest. And it was like, she usually calls me daddy, but today she called me father. And I was like, yo.
That's a little scandalous. What the heck?
There was this one where like, the dad made a shirt or whatever to the girl, and like he was like, boys watch out or something. And then the girl got pregnant.
Bitch. Okay, ready? Thumbnail.
Alright. I want to be a YouTuber too. When I'm older, sorry.
She vlogs on Snapchat.
She does. She thinks she's a vlogger. She vlogs on Snapchat.
Dude,
Yo,
she
they're
does
really
these
just-
clothing hauls. She does these clothing hauls on Snapchat.
I don't do that anymore.
You did a clothing haul not that long ago on Snapchat.
That was in the beginning of summer. When I got those rompers, yes it was.
The last time
Who
I
do you
hung
know
out with you,
that
no,
does
the
it?
last time I hung out with you, we were at a thrift store. She tried to vlog in the thrift store, and then in the process, she almost fell over with the cart. So don't even say that you don't vlog on Snapchat.
Hey, chew. I'm just playing. I'm funny though.
I'm recording.
Bye, sisters! Yo, James Charles is gonna sue us because we keep saying that. I don't have
Okay,
any
you
money.
guys,
You have more money
that
than
is
that. You
it
don't
for
sue me.
our amazing mukbang,
I think-
mukbang, bang to the muck,
Muck.
bang to the muck, mook to the bang, bang to the mook, mook to the
Can we
Shut
record this? Can we re-record this? My hair looks a little soft.
We just spent a whole hour recording this video. You want us to redo it?
I hope you
Follow me
guys
on
enjoyed.
Instagram. My name.
Officially.
And I'll link your Don's ones if you keep
No,
on
please
trying
don't.
me.
Please
I
don't.
hope you guys enjoyed our mukbang. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and what else do you do?
Smash that like button.
Smash that like button.
Let's smash it! Smash it! Who do you think you're pushing? I'm gonna snatch your weave.
Yo.